In this video, we are going to see some of the common errors or calculation differences that we get in calculated fields and how we can resolve this. But first of all, the region-wise profit, let's make it to the original state because we have inserted the calculated fields here and we don't want that now. Let's say we want to put it sales here, the cost of goods sold, and cost of goods sold should come after sales. So I just dragged and dropped that. Profit comes afterwards. So all of this is fine. Let's insert a new sheet. That is sheet number 7, but we will rename it to, let's say, common errors. And this time we will again create a sheet, a data of region wise, cost of goods sold and sales amount. Now we want to find out the profit percentage, right? So for profit percentage, we need to divide profit by sales amount. And for that, we will place profit here as well. So now we have cost of goods sold, profit and sales amount. If we want to rearrange this, it's very simple to do. First of all, let's say that we want sales to be the first field. So just hold this field and start moving it to the left. Just hold the mouse click and release at the starting. You will notice the field shifts here. The cost of goods sold is on the second position, that's fine. And the profit is on the last. So all of this is perfect. Let's insert an other calculated field, which is profit percentage. So first of all, let's click on any of the field and click on create and click on calculated field. Let's write here profit percentage. And the formula is pretty simple. All we have to do is just write here profit divided by sales amount. So profit divided by sales is the formula. The calculation is valid. Click apply and OK. And you see something like this. 26%, 33%, it shows something like that. But let's just compare this manually. Is it 33%? Let's see. 4541904 is the profit divided by 15139,680. Hit enter and we get 0.3. So this is 33%. Okay, let's check one more. 3304055 divided by 11013516. Hit enter and again we get 0.30. But here the profit percentage shows 26%. That's because it is not calculating it properly. To make the calculations perfect, what we need to do is just edit this formula. And just always remember that if you want to divide and use any kind of mathematical expression and you are using the fields, the calculations field where multiple numbers are there, what we have to do is just write sum in front of each expression. Just make sure of that. Let me just show you from starting. So instead of just mentioning the profit, we will just write sum. Sum of what? Sum within this round brackets, we will use the profit field. So write square bracket, it will automatically show you the option and then mention profit divided by, again, sum of what? Sales amount. So sales amount, we can directly mention the sales amount as well and it will show the square brackets as well here. Click OK and you will see the difference. Right now, for the first one, it shows 26%. Click OK. And now it shows some error. That means we need to remove all of this and then put the profit percentage again and it shows 0. Basically it's not 0 because the decimal places are not enabled, like 2 decimal places are not enabled. By default, when we divide profit by sales amount, it shows something like 0.3, 0.2. Either after that we need to multiply it by 100 or what we need to do is just change this to percentage style. So if you want to change it to any other style or enable the decimal places, whatever changes you want to make, just click on this heading to select the complete field. And from the bottom in the Myers value right here, just click on the format and it shows you this as a number format. So we can change it to currency, we can change it to scientific and all, but let's change it to percentage. And now you will notice that all of the percentage are correctly shown. Let's close out of here. Now you might be surprised that why the profit percentage are 30 for every profit. We have equally divided the sales in different areas. So that's why it's showing like that. We can make sure that the calculation is perfect by just writing it in a simple calculator. So profit is 2923,927. I'm just checking this one, divided by 9746424. So it's approximately 29.9%, which is 30%. Let's check it for other one, 4541904 divided by 15139,680. Again, it's 30%. And let's check for one more randomly, 3034782 divided by 10115,940. So it's also 30%. So this is an ideal scenario in which all the percentages are approximately of 30%, but obviously this way you can easily extract the percentage that might be different from this data. So that's how you can resolve the errors. As you can see that before the percentage was not showing properly, they showed something like 26%, which is far from the actual percentage results. So this is how you can convert it into proper fields. Just make sure that whenever you are trying to make any kind of calculation, let's click on edit for me to show you. Just always use sum and then write the field name, divide or multiply, whatever you want. After that, just use sum again to get the proper results. And that's how you can resolve the calculated field calculation errors. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.